I feel it comes back to responsibility again, doesn't it? It's like people have got to be willing to take responsibility for their actions, their reactions, or their neutralness.
Yeah.
And it's I feel responsibility is a big thing, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
like you got to be willing to take responsibility, because if you're not willing to take responsibility and you want to put it outside yourself, well, then you're never actually going to become aware. You're never actually going to be able to accept. You're never actually going to appreciate until you can go for take responsibility.
Take responsibility. And you made me think of something then. Is a lot of the time, and I suppose we're talking about people having, casting a judgment on someone or a situation and therefore feeling frustrated or angry, that if they actually become more aware and even be able to go, well, when have I done something similar, right? And then all of a sudden, instead of just putting that person into a shame point, they're actually going, well, yeah, I have lied before, or I have had a short fuse, or I have done whatever. It helps balance. You're not just coming from that person's wrong, It balances it out. And taking, I suppose, your side of your responsibility on whatever the situation may be, I think just helps getting it to a neutral playing field. I don't know if that's the right word, but emotionally, anything that you're, I suppose, judging anyone else, there's a very good chance, if you look deep enough, that you've also done something of a similar nature. Might not be the event that's happened, but it might be to have caused a feeling within someone that no doubt we've all done things that have caused different feelings with different people. So taking ownership of that I'm also just as bad, and not from a society viewpoint, because that action that someone does may be way worse than your action, but the feelings people may get from it may be the same feelings.
Yeah.
You know what
I get it. Yeah, fully get it. It's always, and I'm a big believer that
like the hand down one, like they got the same feelings.
Same feeling, different events. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, for me, I'm a big believer as well. Our, and I know a lot of people out there talk about it, and it's like it's talked about heavily, and it's like some people struggle to connect with it. But I'm a big believer. Our external world's a reflection of our internal world.
Yeah.
If you look deep enough, what is happening in people that you feel a little bit uncomfortable with, if you look in yourself, there's a part of you that does that as well, which you're not comfortable with.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm a big believer of that as well.
Yeah.
It reflects back to you of what's happening.
Huge.